Welcome to our second tutorial on the Bill of Materials in an assembly. First, let's go to Insert, Tables, Bill of Materials. First, we select a table template. We can browse for a file. Under BOM type, let's choose Parts Only. Configurations, I only have one, so that displays here. Part Configuration Grouping is our next control area. Let me go through these options. Display as one item number. Checking this option lets you use the same item number for different configurations. This first option, Display Configurations of the same part as separate items, allows you to list each configuration in the bill of materials if the component has multiple configurations. The next option, Display all configurations of the same part as one item. If you choose this option, when a component has multiple configurations, the components will be listed in one row in the bill of materials. And the third radio button, Display configurations with the same name as one item. If more than one component has the same configuration, they'll be listed in one row in the bill of materials. The next section is where we control item numbers. We choose a start number as well as an increment. Lastly, we have border options. Let's click OK. And here we have our bill of materials. Let's position it somewhere here. To hide or show the bill of materials, you can right-click and select Hide. We can also show a table in a separate window. Oops. Let's try that again. Show Table in New Window. To restore the table to the graphic area, right-click and select Show Table. Now let's insert some balloons. Go to Insert, Annotations, Balloon. And we're going to place them around our assembly. OK. And let's delete this. To hide the balloons, we right-click on Annotations and uncheck Display Annotations. And to bring them back, simply right-click and select Display Annotations. Now let's save our assembly. And let's create a drawing document. OK. B Landscape, OK. Let's drag in an isometric view. Let's use a custom scale of 1:1. Now let's go to Insert, Tables, Bill of Materials. In the BOM Options area, we're able to copy an existing table. From this drop-down menu, we choose the table I just created. We can check here to attach to the anchor point and click OK. Let's expand Sheet Format 1 and reposition the anchor point. Right-click on the Bill of Materials anchor, select Set Anchor, and let's put it right here. Let's go back to our assembly now. Now let's insert a column. Right-click, Insert, Column Right. Let's select Weight as our custom property. And let's reposition the column. We just drag and drop. Now let's save. And let's go back to our drawing document. Let's zoom in a little bit. As you can see, the column on the Bill of Materials table on our drawing document is not updated. The reason for this is that the assembly Bill of Materials and the drawing Bill of Materials don't actually link to each other. And this concludes our second tutorial on the Bill of Materials in an assembly.